Children, as we have already discussed that share debentures can be issued in three ways, right? Debentures can be issued at par, debentures can be issued at premium, and debentures can be issued at discount. Okay. We have already discussed this yesterday. So today we are going to do the question. Discount, as we already know, discount is called which loss? Anybody can tell me? Yesterday, who were in class? Who's were in my class? Huh? Yes?
Capital loss.
Very good. Capital loss. Yes. Discount or loss on issue is a capital loss. So it should be write off also as early as possible within the lifetime of the debentures. Okay. And it can be write off by debiting to which account? I told you yesterday. It can be written off by security premium reserve because the security, yes, because security premium reserve or general reserve or in the form of statement of profit and loss. अगर उन दोनों में किसी में भी बैलेंस नहीं बचेगा तो किस में से लेंगे? स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से उसको राइट ऑफ करेंगे. ओके. एंड राइट ऑफ करने के लिए व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री which we have to pass? The entry which we have to pass, that is security premium reserve. If we are writing off from security premium reserve, then it will be debited. And if general reserve is there, so general reserve will be debited. Okay. And the next is, if nothing is means no amount is there in both the accounts, then statement of profit and loss. To loss on issue of debentures account. Okay. Loss, as we have already discussed, that discount is also called the loss on debenture also. So here you can write loss also, and here you can write discount also. Okay. So in first question, what is given? First question is given that, so illustration number 3. Surya Limited issued 2,500 debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%. After that, we will do the practical question also. So 2,500 debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%. That means 10 rupees discount is there. 25 on application, 25 on allotment, and the balance on first call. Application were received for 2,000. Here you can see that there is what? There is under subscription. So 2,000 received application. At the allotment was made. All the money was duly received. Director decided to write off 1/5 of. Directors decided to write off 1/5 of the discount on issue of debentures from the statement of profit and loss. See, here it is mentioned also that we have to write off the amount from statement of profit and loss each year. Now we have to pass the journal entry for first year only and present the relevant information in the balance sheet. So first of all, we have to prepare the journal entry. So journal entries. First, application is given 25 on application, 25 on allotment, and the balance on first call. So 25 on application. 25 on application. So 25. What will be the first entry? Who is going to tell me? First entry will be bank account debit to debenture application. How many percentage is given? 15%. So bank account debit to 15% debenture application account. And the amount will be 20,000. That means 2,000 is given received application and 25 on application. So 2,000 into 25, that will be 50,000. Bank account debit to debenture application. Okay. Next application money we have to transfer. So debenture application debit to debenture. Also 50,000. Next, here allotment. Now you can see that 25 on allotment. Yes, when nothing is mentioned about allotment on which thing we have to apply the allotment, then in shares also we have learned that if nothing is mentioned, premium we have to do in a allotment. So as it is, we will do in the we'll apply this in discount also. Okay, so first entry allotment due, that is debenture allotment account debit, as discount is given, so discount is a loss, so it will also be debited. So debenture allotment account debit, loss on issue of debenture, or you can write the discount on issue of debenture. Debit to 15% debentures. Ab how much debentures are given? 50,000, 25 allotment is given, 25, 25 into 2, 50,000. Loss 10 rupees discount is given, so 10 rupees into 20 into 2,000, that will be 20,000. And 15,000, and total is 70,000, that will be come in debentures. Now bank account amount which we have received, that only will be transferred to bank account. Okay, amount we have received allotment is 50,000, that is bank account debit to debenture allotment. Okay, 50,000. Okay. The next entry will be your first and final call. The first call is given the balance. That means it is of 50. Okay. 50. Just a minute. So this means this you have understood that bank account debit to debenture allotment. Afterward, debenture first and final call account debit to debentures. That will 80,000. 80,000 means 1 lakh will be there because 50 rupees on balance means call is given on 50 rupees. And 50 into 20, 50 into 2,000, that will 1 lakh. And we will deduct the discount, that is 20,000, and then we'll get 80,000. After that, in the question it is said that 1/5 of discount on issue of debentures we will write off from statement of profit and loss account. So earlier we have learned which entry we have to pass for the writing of the amount, that is statement of profit and loss account debit to discount on issue of debentures. Okay, and 1/5 amount, how much amount is given? How much amount is given of discount? 20,000. Tell me. 20,000 है या कुछ और है, बता दीजिए. हेलो.
मैम 20,000
20
1/5 और 20,000
20,000 का 1/5 कितना आएगा?
मैम
1/5
4,000
4,000. So that will be write off, and the entry will be okay. Now take out the question number, practical question 3. In your book, the topic is discount. Take out the question number 3. And now we will discuss the practical question number 3.